Hello, future marketing maestros and communication wizards. Remember our thrilling exploration of YouTube SEO? Well, brace yourselves, because we're about to embark on another exciting adventure into the world of SMS marketing. Are you ready to unlock the power of text messages in marketing? Imagine a world where your message reaches people directly in their pockets, almost instantly. That's the magic of SMS marketing. It's like having a direct line to your audience, delivering your message right into their hands. Understanding SMS marketing is like learning a secret language that speaks directly to people, wherever they are. But what exactly is SMS marketing? Why is it becoming a go-to strategy for businesses? And most importantly, how can you harness the power of SMS marketing to connect with your audience and drive your business goals? Let's set off on this eye-opening journey together and discover all there is to know. Just like our exciting trip into YouTube SEO, we'll start with some fascinating questions. Picture yourself as a communications detective, unraveling the secrets of SMS marketing. How does SMS marketing fit in the vast world of digital communication? What makes it a powerful tool for businesses? How can SMS marketing turn your business messages into impactful conversations? In today's episode, we'll meet Alex, an entrepreneur eager to connect with customers in a more personal and direct way. Alex asks, what is SMS marketing? Why should I use it? How can I make it work for my business? We're here to help Alex, and all of you, find these crucial answers. Think of SMS marketing as a fast, efficient, and personal way to reach out to people. It's not just for the big players, even small businesses can use it effectively. With just a bit of strategy and creativity, you too can master this skill. So, are you ready to join Alex on this journey? Hit that subscribe button, grab your phones, and let's dive into the world of SMS marketing. But first, let's say hello again. We're Millionaire Ventures Online, your friendly guide in the world of digital success. Whether you're a newcomer or a returning friend, we're super excited to have you here. Every journey with us is filled with learning, excitement, and opportunities for growth. If you're keen on mastering the art of digital communication and marketing, you're in the perfect place. So, let's get back to SMS marketing. It's not just about sending texts, it's a strategic tool in your marketing arsenal. It's about crafting the right message, targeting the right audience, and creating meaningful interactions. From crafting compelling messages to understanding the nuances of timing and consent, SMS marketing is your secret weapon for effective communication. Ready to dive into the world of SMS marketing? Let's embark on this enlightening journey and unlock the potential of text message marketing. Stay tuned as we navigate through the best practices and strategies that will make your SMS campaigns a hit. Welcome aboard, fellow digital communicators. Let's master SMS marketing together. Understanding SMS marketing, the direct line to your audience. Welcome to the exciting world of SMS marketing. This is like having a special way to chat with your customers, right through their phones. Let's dive in and see how it can boost your business. What is SMS marketing? SMS marketing is sending quick, special messages to people's phones. It's like whispering a message into someone's ear instead of shouting in a crowd. Why use SMS marketing? Almost everyone carries a phone, making SMS a powerful tool to grab attention. It's like having a magic key to the front of the line in getting noticed. The power of connection. SMS marketing isn't just about texts, it's about creating a bond with your audience. Imagine sending a message that feels like a friendly tap on the shoulder. That's SMS marketing. Asking for permission. Always get permission before sending texts. It's like knocking on someone's door before entering. Make every message helpful and interesting, like a mini gift in a text. The right tools for SMS marketing. Use SimpleTexting and TextMagic to decide the best time to send your messages. They work like personal assistants for your SMS schedule. For making your messages click, Bitly helps you create short and sweet links. To manage it all, Twilio is fantastic. It's like having a control center for sending, receiving, and tracking your messages. Adapting to customer preferences. Understand and adapt to the preferences of your audience. It's like changing the music based on who's listening. Use customer feedback and engagement metrics to tailor your approach, ensuring your messages always hit the right note. Timing is everything. Send your texts at a time when people are likely to read them. It's like choosing the perfect moment to make a surprise. Engaging your audience. Ask questions or include fun polls to make your texts interactive. It's like starting a small talk that keeps the conversation going. Respecting privacy. Always offer an easy way for people to stop receiving messages if they want to. It's like giving someone the choice to stay in the room or leave. Keeping track. Monitor how well your messages are doing. It's like checking the weather to plan your day. Use the feedback to make your next messages even better. Remember, SMS marketing is a powerful way to talk directly to your audience. With these simple tools and tips, you can start sending messages that not only reach but also resonate with your customers. Happy texting! Mastering SMS marketing, strategies and practical tips. Becoming great at SMS marketing is like having a set of handy tools. Each strategy helps you send messages that really connect with your audience. Here are some tips and tools to help you master the art of SMS marketing. Clarity and brevity. Keep your messages short and to the point, like quick, catchy headlines. Tools like Hemingway Editor can help you create clear and concise messages. Personalization. Tailor each message to feel personal, like saying someone's name in a busy room. Use tools like MailChimp SMS to add personal touches like names in your texts. Timing your messages. The timing of your messages is crucial, like picking the right moment in a conversation. SimpleTexting and SlickText offers scheduling features to send texts at the best times. Clear call to action. Direct your readers clearly on what to do next, like a sign pointing the way. Tools like Bitly help create short, clickable links for your call to action. Innovative content creation. Create content that stands out. Think of each SMS as a mini-story or a fun fact that brightens your customer's day. Use creative writing tools like RYTR or Grammarly to add a creative twist to your messages, making them more enjoyable and memorable. Testing and learning. Try different messages and learn from the results, like experimenting in a lab. Use Google Analytics to track how well different texts perform. Engagement. Engage your audience with interactive content, like starting an interesting chat. Incorporate polls or questions using platforms like Poll Everywhere. Respecting privacy. Always provide a way for people to opt out, respecting their choices. Ensure your tools, like TextMagic, include easy opt-out options. Continuous improvement. Stay updated with SMS marketing trends and keep improving your strategy. Tools like HubSpot offer analytics and insights to refine your approach. By combining these strategies with the right tools, you'll be able to craft SMS campaigns that not only reach your audience but also engage and inspire them. And there we have it, our journey in SMS marketing with Millionaire Ventures Online wraps up. Just like our explorations in YouTube SEO and Binance, you've now stepped into the world of effective SMS marketing. Are you pumped to take your marketing to the next level with SMS? If you're eager to try out these strategies in your campaigns, don't forget that subscribe button. We, at Millionaire Ventures Online, are here to support you at every turn in your marketing journey. Your journey with SMS marketing doesn't end here. It's a constantly evolving field, and there's always something new to learn, a new strategy to try, or a new way to engage with your audience. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Try combining SMS marketing with other digital strategies you've learned with us, and see how they complement each other to elevate your overall marketing plan. As you continue to grow in your marketing skills, remember the importance of feedback. Listen to what your audience says about your messages. Their reactions and responses are valuable clues that can help you refine your strategy, making your messages even more effective. So, until our paths cross again, keep these SMS marketing strategies in your thoughts. Don't just leave, like, subscribe, and join our Millionaire Ventures Online family. Till we meet again, stay shining, you future marketing leaders.